So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can remove this Meta AI logo, this logo right here. It's very easy to do, and also how you can convert this square image to a landscape image that is 16:9 for your YouTube videos or any project that you want to use it for. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is to download this image to our device. So I'm going to click on download and save it to our device. You already know how to generate images with Meta AI. If you don't know how to generate images with Meta AI, please find the video in the description. I've added it in the description, or you can click here to watch it and learn all you have to know about Meta AI. But if you can't access Meta AI in your country, I have an alternative image generative AI tools that you can use. I've added the video link in the description, so go ahead and find it so that you can watch and learn how you can use alternative AI tools to generate amazing images like this. So now that we have this, next thing we're going to do is to come over to Canva. So we're going to go over to canva.com, and then the next thing we're going to do is to click on video. Under video, you click on video and it's going to open like so, and we're going to go ahead and click on create blank. So now that it has opened, the next thing we're going to do is to upload the picture that we downloaded or the picture that you want to use for your project. All you have to do is to click on upload, and we're going to click on upload files, and we're going to select the picture, the image like this. So let me go ahead and select, multiple pictures so that we can, work with that. All right. So now we have this selected. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now we have it here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this image like so. And then the first thing I need to do to show you how to turn it to a landscape mode that is 16:9 is by dragging this, making sure that I drag it to the end, to the top like this, and make sure that it's in the middle like so. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to also line up. Let me line up everything so that it can work, perfectly. So I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to add the second picture, which is this one. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to drag this one up like so and make sure that it's in the middle again. And I'm going to open again another page and add this one so that you can see that, it's not magic, it's not luck, and it's something that just works perfectly. So now I have this added. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this image, and then I'm going to click on edit image. And of course, I'm going to click on magic expand, and I'm going to select whole image. And I'm going to click on magic expand, and it's going to go ahead and expand the image for us. All right, now you can see that it's done, expanded the image, and it has given us 4 versions, and this one is not good, this one is good, and this one also is amazing. So just go ahead and choose whichever one that fits whatever you want to use it for, but I think this third one works best. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this third one and click on done. But if you don't like any of the generations, all you have to do is to generate a new result, and it's going to go ahead and generate a new result for you. And we're going to click on done. And of course, we're going to repeat the same thing here. Highlight the picture, click on edit image, and then we're going to click on magic expand. And then we're going to click on whole image, and then we're going to click on magic expand, and it's going to expand the image like so. All right, so now you can see that it has expanded the image and it's looking amazing. So you can just scan through the 4 options you can see here and choose whichever one that best suits what you want to use it for. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and go with this second one because it looks so amazing, or the first one. But this looks unrealistic, right? So let's go with the second one. And then to do that, all we have to do is to click on done. And now we have our 3 pictures well expanded in less than 2 minutes, right? So to remove this logo, what we're going to do is to highlight this picture, and we're going to click on edit image again. And then we're going to go ahead and click on magic eraser. So the next thing we're going to do is increase this brush size, so we can get all the parts accurate. So we're going to increase the brush size like so, and then we're going to just go ahead and highlight this logo as it is. Make sure you're very precise. That is why I had to increase the brush size so that I can get it accurately, because if it's too much, it's going to cause a smear effect, and you don't want that on your picture. So The next thing I'm going to do is to click on erase, and it's going to go ahead and erase the logo automatically. So now you can see that it has removed the logo and it looks as if there was nothing there before. And to try that again, well, let's go over to the second picture, and that is why I had to highlight this. It gives us different perspective. And here you can see that, there's a couple of things here. So what we're going to do here is to highlight the picture as it is and click on edit image. And then of course, we're going to click on magic eraser. And of course, we're going to increase the brush size. And again, we're going to go in and brush this as it is. So let's add a little bit here. So I'm trying my best not to overdo it. So now it's perfect. So we're going to click on erase and see how it goes. And voila, you can see that it looks amazing. It has removed the logo automatically and it looks like nothing was there before. Nothing. And in as much as it was on top of an object, it was in between an object and the green grass, and you can see that it removed it perfectly and it didn't smear it. So this is perfect. By the way, you can do this with your mobile phone or your computer. It doesn't matter which device you're using. You can get all this in your device. So here that I have this selected, we're going to select magic eraser and we're going to increase the brush size like so. And we're going to go ahead, let's increase it a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and let's reduce it just enough. And we're going to go ahead and select this logo, make sure it fits into the circle perfectly. And we're going to highlight it like so. Now this is amazing. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on erase, and it's going to remove the logo automatically. As you can see, it looks like nothing was there before. So now you can see all the pictures has been expanded and all the logo removed. Here is number 1 and here is number 2 and here is number 3. Now, how cool is this? All right, so now that you're done expanding the images and removing the logo and you want to download it, to do that, all you have to do is to click on share. And if you want to do it accurately, make sure you don't download it as an MP4. You're going to download it as a PNG file. Select PNG and you can decide to download the pictures separately. All you have to do is to deselect all the images and then select it one after the other and click on done, click on download, and it's going to download separately. That's if you're using your mobile phone, but if you're using desktop, you can go ahead and download everything together and it's going to download in a zip file. So when you unzip the file, you can see all the images there. I mean, it saves you just a fraction of time that you're going to use in downloading one after the other, especially when you have a lot of images. And again, if you're using your mobile phone, you might not have the access to unzip folders in your phone. You might not know how to do that. So you can go ahead and download it one after the other. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done and then click on download, and it's going to download straight to my device. Sadly, this is only available for Canva Pro users. And if you don't have Canva Pro, you can go ahead and sign up with the free trial. If you don't know how to get that, then you need to join my Telegram channel where I share all those details on how to get all these things easy. And some of the information I can't share it on YouTube because they are going to issue me a strike. And you don't want to miss me on YouTube. So go ahead and find my Telegram channel link in the description to join the Telegram channel. It's totally free. I share the things that I am not allowed to share on YouTube here and some other information on our official Telegram channel, and it's totally free. So you can go ahead, click the link and join. I'm talking about Canva. Here is the next video that I recommend that you watch on this channel to learn how you can use Canva to create animation for kids channel and make a lot of money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.